हाय व्यूअर्स, माई सेल्फ अंजलि रामचंदानी और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं ब्राउन डोसा जो बहुत ही हेल्दी होता है और बहुत ही न्यूट्रिशियस होता है। क्योंकि चावल का डोसा तो हर कोई खाता है, बट इट्स ब्राउन डोसा, इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ। तो अभी
Brown means you are using brown rice or something else?
not a brown rice, but I'll use oats.
Okay.
I'll show you some ingredients.
Okay. What are the ingredients?
This is oats and this
Okay.
is rava.
Okay.
This is thuli.
Dalia.
Dalia,
Okay.
yes.
So this is also wheat and this is oats.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, both are so nice.
Yeah.
They will reduce your cholesterol and
Yeah.
obesity both. Okay. What
This
other
is-
things you need?
This is yogurt.
Okay.
And we use some
Coconut
spices.
chutney?
Yeah,
Okay.
chutney for serving.
Serving.
only.
Okay, very
and this is the spices.
Mm-hmm.
Salt, red chili powder, chaat masala, and cumin.
Jeera. Okay.
And this is black pepper. Okay.
So you are using freshly crushed peppercorns.
Yeah.
Okay,
Freshly.
very good.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now we can start. Okay.
Yeah. You are starting your induction cooker.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are keeping on hot pot.
Yes, hot pot.
Okay. Okay.
Hot pot.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can roast.
So how much
oats.
oats you want?
Yeah. I'll take 1/4 cup and the quantity
Because you are
of-
taking very less.
Yeah. Very less. Only
Only 1 or 2
three-
dosas.
Yes, 2 or 3 dosa. So I'll take
So any measure we take. So
Yeah,
3
yeah.
cups of oats.
3 cups of oats.
So what you will do out of this?
I can roast this
Okay.
in induction.
Okay. So you are roasting all the 3 ingredients
Yeah.
separately or together?
No, separately.
Separately.
Yes.
Okay. So now you are roasting
Oats.
Very good.
Only 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that.
Okay. So that little aroma will come.
Yeah.
सुगंध आ जाती है पूरे घर में.
Yes.
हाँ. Everybody loves na oats.
Yeah.
Otherwise nobody is taking oats.
Yes.
But if you got the recipes,
हाँ.
then it will become easier
Oats,
to
yes.
reduce your weight also
हाँ.
and become healthy. Otherwise everybody is taking so much of idli, dosa with
Yeah.
rice and this and that. But nobody wants oats
Yes.
because you don't have recipes.
Yeah.
Now you are giving me recipe. Wow, I love you, yeah.
ये हो चुका है.
Okay. So you will take it
Yeah.
in other
bowl.
separate bowl.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I will take rava.
Okay.
2 cups.
So how? 2
2
cups.
cups.
So 3 cups oats, 2 cups
Yeah,
rava.
2 cups rava.
Okay. So again you're roasting it?
Yeah, I'll roast. This is also roast for only 2 to 3 minutes,
Okay.
not more than that.
Till a little aroma.
Aroma comes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. रवा की तो बहुत सारी रेसिपीज हैं.
हाँ,
But you know
बहुत
रवा
है.
is little like मैदा. So you are
Okay.
adding dalia and
Dalia,
you are
yes.
adding oats, so it becomes rava becomes healthier now.
Yeah.
Because you are not taking only rava.
No.
Because we suggest to add vegetables.
Yeah.
Or you add some at least oats.
If
some,
you like
dalia.
vegetables, then you can
add that also.
vegetables in
Huh.
stuffing.
Okay. Yeah. And along with aloo.
Yeah.
Because dosa
Yes.
chutney simply also we can take and
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
make some stuffing also. And okay, very nice, beautiful recipe.
ये भी
you are
हो
giving
चुका
me.
है.
Okay. So taking in the same bowl.
Yeah, same
Okay.
bowl.
So
Now
what else
I
you
will
want?
take dalia,
Okay.
1 cup.
Okay. So 3 cups oats, 2 cups rava and 1 cup
1
dalia.
cup dalia.
Okay.
Yes. इसे भी हम lightly सौते करेंगे,
Okay.
रोस्ट करेंगे.
Little more क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा गलने में प्रॉब्लम करता है.
Okay.
And you need instant recipe ना?
Yes.
Yeah.
I always prefer brown dosa only.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is very healthy. That's why you are fit, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that is the secret of
Yes.
your health. Oh my God,
Definitely.
this is very lovely. So you are sharing your secrets with us.
Yeah.
It's a good now because everybody needs good health.
Yes.
Now everybody is health conscious and you should be.
Yes.
Why not? Health is our first right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a human right. Yeah. So why not to have good health?
Yes.
Everybody should have good health. So do some walking, exercise,
Yeah.
and eat healthy.
I
Eat healthy.
always do walking.
Very good. And eat healthy.
Yes.
Both are the secrets. So daily do 1 hour of yoga and good health food.
Okay.
Okay.
This is
My
fine
patients
now.
will love
Yeah.
your recipe.
Yeah.
I think they are going to jump to see
Yes.
such a nice, beautiful brown dosa. Okay. So. Okay. Now you're
This
taking.
is complete.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're now adding all the 3 ingredients?
Yeah.
Okay. So they are all roasted, very nice.
Yeah, all
Mhm.
3 will
Now what
be
you are going to
roasted.
do out of these things?
Now we can churn this.
Okay. In mixer grinder?
Yeah, in mixer
Okay.
grinder only.
Mhm. Okay, okay, very nice. So you got a mixer grinder.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So all the 3 ingredients you have combined.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you are grinding together. All 3
Yeah,
combined
all
together.
3 together.
Okay. Now you make a fine paste out of this.
Yeah.
Okay. Means dry grinding.
Dry grinding.
Then you will add yogurt and all.
Yogurt.
You can make a wet grinding also.
Yeah,
Means
yeah.
you can add yogurt now also.
Yes.
But if you're doing
But
this,
I'll prefer
this,
that
okay.
after grinding.
Okay, okay.
I'll
Okay, very nice. Wow. प्यारी सी सुगंध आ रही
Yeah. See this?
है. Wow, beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So it's a fine paste now.
Yeah.
Okay. You take in this.
Yeah, I'll take in this bowl.
Okay.
And now I will add yogurt.
Mm-hmm. Some 2 cups of yogurt.
Yeah, or 3 to 4 tablespoons.
Okay.
You can add.
Even if you add more, this is healthy.
Yeah.
Healthy.
This is yogurt is also very
it's a
healthy.
healthy choice
Yes.
because it contains a lot of protein.
Yeah.
Here thuli also contains a lot of protein.
Yes.
Okay. So what else you need? Some masalas.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want some spices.
Okay. To make it tasty dosa.
Yeah.
Huh? Wow.
Half teaspoon of red chili powder
Okay.
and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala
Okay.
and salt to taste.
Okay. Sure. And some jeera.
Yeah, some
Okay.
cumin seeds.
Yeah.
1/4 teaspoon
Okay.
and freshly black pepper.
Okay. Freshly crushed
Yeah.
peppercorns. Okay. Very nice. So you're giving American touch to this.
Yeah,
Huh?
half teaspoon of
Okay. It becomes
black
very
pepper.
tasty and good for winter season.
Yeah, yeah.
Because everybody loves, black,
Yeah, black
peppers.
peppers.
Yeah, to taste.
Okay.
Okay. So now you are making a dosa batter.
Yes.
You can
I'll
add some
make
water also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First we'll
And-
mix this
Yeah.
and then I'll add some water.
Okay. You need some Eno also, Hana?
Yeah, fruit salt is not compulsory,
Huh.
but if you want to add, then
Then it
that's
is
your
good.
choice.
Okay. But if
No,
you're
I-
adding Eno, then it becomes crispy.
Yeah,
More crispy.
okay. But is rava is also adding
Itself, huh.
yeah.
Normally, the people, what they do is they keep this mixture for 15 minutes
Yeah.
separately. But it's an instant recipe.
This is an instant
if you are,
dosa, so-
if you are adding
Yeah.
Eno, that becomes crisp.
Now I'll
Means
add some
instant.
water.
Okay.
I want some more water.
Okay. Yeah, acha. So you are making a very nice, beautiful brown
Yeah,
dosa.
this is the proper consistency of
Okay. Dosa batter.
dosa batter.
Okay.
Now-
So you will add some Eno. Eno
Yeah.
is optional.
Yeah, this is
But-
optional, but if you like, then you can add this.
It becomes more
Th-
crispy
yeah,
actually in my
this
practice.
Is add only for pinch of fruit salt.
Okay. Okay.
Only pinch.
Very good. Beautiful. So now
Now
your
this is
dosa
the
batter is
consistency
ready.
you can see.
Okay. So you need
Like
not to
only-
keep it for 15 minutes. No need.
No, no.
Because
This
it's
is
an instant
instant
recipe.
dosa, so-
Okay.
Now I will on this induction.
Okay.
Hot pot.
Okay.
And now
Increase the temperature. In the
Yeah.
dish.
okay. Increase. Now we add some put 2 to 3
Drops.
Drops of oil.
Because you are giving to
Yeah.
my obese मोटा patients.
yes yes
So no need of oil. बिना तेल के खाना बन सकता है तो क्यों
हाँ
डालना?
और ये थोड़ा सा पानी इसमें छिड़केंगे
Okay.
क्योंकि ये डोसे
Okay.
का सीक्रेट इससे ही
हाँ.
ज्यादा क्रिस्प बनते हैं डोसे
Okay. Okay. So little oil and little
Yeah.
water.
Now I can- Rub
Now you will
this.
wipe it off.
Yeah, wipe
Okay.
it.
So now there is nothing left.
No.
On the tawa. This is dosa tawa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'll prepare dosa.
So. Okay. Wow. Yummy, beautiful.
Yeah.
Make a thin, nice, crisp
Yeah.
dosa.
ये क्या हो गया?
इसको ढकना पड़ता है क्या?
Not compulsory.
ओके
ऐसे भी हो ही जाता है.
ओके ओके वेरी
Yeah.
नाइस.
और अब हम इस पे लाइटली ग्रीस करेंगे ऑयल. हाफ टी स्पून. नॉट
Okay.
मोर देन दैट.
ओके till it becomes good. Still it is cooked from above. Then we will start taking from the corners.
Yes.
भी थोड़ा तो पकने दो उसको.
हाँ जी.
बहुत सुंदर है. Then how will you serve, baby?
With chutney.
Okay.
With coconut chutney.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks yummy.
Yeah.
Lots of people they fill also with some vegetables, some
Yeah, yeah.
salad वगैरह.
That depends on you.
Okay.
That if you like
Maybe
vegetables.
aloo matar ki sabzi.
Yeah.
Or you want
Or
some
any
vegetables
sabzi
like
which you like.
cucumber and gajar.
Yeah. Salads.
Just
Or
spread in
Chinese,
the center.
yes.
हाँ, whatever. So, but
Now I'll turn this.
हमारे घर में तो कई बार बच्चे ऐसे ही डोसा चटनी ही खाते रहते हैं.
Yeah.
हाँ, it's okay.
Yeah.
कई बार जरूरी नहीं है
मुझे
क्या?
भी वही पसंद है.
Okay.
Now I'll turn
But if you're adding
this
vegetables,
dosa.
it's even better. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Yummy.
Yes.
It's not very brown, but it's very nice.
Yeah.
And no difference, not much of difference in look wise, but the health wise it is very healthy.
Now I'll also add some drop
Okay.
of oil.
Okay.
Only for shining the dosa.
Okay. It's only one drop.
Yeah.
So
Only
not
one.
much of oil.
No, no.
Yeah. It's just a beautiful pancake.
Yeah, pancake.
है ना?
You can say pancakes
Yeah,
also.
also. So now in your home everybody should be happy, huh?
Yeah. I wish.
Hopefully they will enjoy this.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, they are going to. Yeah, it's so tasty. Now you'll taste and tell me. Huh?
Yeah.
See on the flip on the other side.
Yeah.
It's cooked and almost cooked, huh? Yeah. This side little needs little more cooking.
इस थोड़ा ज़्यादा कुक करेंगे और
हाँ. और जितना पतला बनाएंगे जितना मतलब है ना,
Crisp
उतना अच्छा
बनेगा.
रहेगा. हाँ,
Yes.
क्रिस्प बनेगा.
बट इसमें थोड़ा रवा आ जाता है तो ये थोड़ा
Soft तो होता है ये, हाँ.
सॉफ्ट होता है थोड़ा
थोड़ा
थिक होता
thick हो
जाता
जाता
है
है.
क्योंकि
और अगर हाँ.
बैटर में पानी काफी एब्जॉर्ब होता रहता है तो ये थोड़ा थिक ही बनेगा.
ओके. और अगर आप थोड़ी सी
Like
वेजिटेबल ऐड
उत्तपम.
करोगे, हाँ.
Like
अगर आप
उत्तपम.
वेजिटेबल इसी में ऐड कर दो तो उत्तपम बन गया.
हाँ.
Yeah. So all South Indian dishes you are giving us, huh?
Yes.
Combination.
Yeah.
And the healthier one.
Hmm.
Wow, so nice. it is. So no need to take this much of rice and
Yes.
increase your triglyceride and cholesterol.
Yeah.
So you take oats. They say that even if you are taking 3 grams of oats a day, that will reduce your cholesterol drastically.
Okay.
So always keep oats at hand. Like when you are making that laddu, besan ka laddu,
Yeah,
and
besan ka
rava ka,
laddu.
you always add some 1 cup of oats also.
Okay.
Like in place of 1 cup of other ingredient, you can just replace with oats, and you will have a nice, healthy, delicious recipe with health. We can enjoy like मोटा लोग सोचते हैं हम कुछ खा नहीं सकते, लड्डू नहीं खा सकते, ये नहीं खा सकते.
ये बहुत ही गलत thinking है
हाँ, गलत
उनकी.
थिंकिंग है. सब खा
Yes,
सकते हो आप.
सब खा सकते
सिर्फ
हैं.
आप जो थोड़ी चॉइस अच्छी रखो.
Yes.
उसमें ओट्स ले लो.
Oats काफी
हाँ.
ले सकते हैं आप.
हाँ.
फूली ले सकते
फूली ले
हैं.
सकते हैं. तो आपकी जो है हेल्थ भी अच्छी रहेगी और आपको टेस्टी रेसिपीज भी मिलती
हाँ
रहेंगी.
जी.
So wow,
this is ready.
nice, delicious, ready.
Yes. This is ready.
So you're serving this?
Yeah.
Okay. यम्मी. मुंह में बहुत पानी आ रहा है. माउथ वाटरिंग रेसिपी.
Yes.
ओके.
और हम इसे सर्व करेंगे कोकोनट चटनी के साथ.
ओके. चटनी आपने बना के रखी है पहले से?
हाँ जी, मैंने रेडी रखी है ये चटनी. और ये चटनी भी काफ़ी टेस्टी है.
इसमें आपने दही और
दही, कोकोनट, धनिया,
धनिया,
यस,
नमक
नमक.
और थोड़ी शुगर डाली
ओके.
और थोड़ी ग्रीन चिलीज है ना. ओके. वाओ, looks
This
so
is ready.
yummy.
And
Okay.
yeah.
So now you test and tell me how it is.
Very tasty.
Oh, thank you so much for
Now you
giving.
taste this.
Yeah, thank you so much, and tell me how it is. Oh wow! So brown dosa. I'm taking this. Anjali has made for me.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Nothing like that. So thank you very much for giving me such a nice
You're welcome.
brown dosa.
Yes.
Thank you. Wow, कितना मजा आया ना.